Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the reading mode, because as you can see, this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it in order to enter, and in order to actually see it and be able to customize it instead of the schedule option, we have to turn it on. So just tap on the switcher and the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber here, and it is in order to filter the blue light, of course. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you are a night owl and if you really prefer to use your device at night, then this mode is for sure for you. So here we can adjust it, and by going to the left with this switcher we can make it a little bit cooler. The difference is not really that much visible. And by going to the right we can make it warmer, and again this time the tones are not that drastically different. So you can adjust it, but you know, it's not really that much of the difference. What's more, you can schedule that feature, so you don't have to manually turn it on or off every time. You can simply schedule it. If you know that you want to turn it on at a particular hour, you can do it here, or you can pick the good night rate, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrises are, and it is, I believe, location based. In order to custom the period, just tap on turn on, of course, and here just by swiping you can pick the start and the end time. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. And of course, the screen is yellow because we are between the start and the end time here. But let me turn off the schedule, and basically this is the whole customization. So as you can see, we do not have a lot of options to personalize, but as I've promised, I'll show you much faster access to this feature, so you don't have to go through the settings to get there. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and you have to unroll it fully, or if you cannot, then you can just swipe. And as you can see, after one swipe we've got the reading mode here. If you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this edit icon and it will appear right here. You just have to drag it to this section. So of course the reading mode right now is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will get back to its normal state, and the same situation and the other way. So basically that's all. This is how to use the eye comfort mode in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.